space. Looks like washroom, partitions, second one. Buckets. 2. This is doctor offices. This is a new partition office. I think reception would be right here. So we have this one of the office. Small size. Sprites to view. So Amazon office here. Specials. Lights. AC. So that. Another office. Small size. It's a corridor. Oh, this is bigger. So it has got 2 AC. Corridor. This is another one. Here's another office. Ooh, it's a good size. Can see. That's a good size. And this is the executive office. I think for the owner or MD. It's Brian. So the viewer. Also it has private washroom. For windows. So it has a grant trace. Here's another smart office. Oh, this is huge. This kitchen. Right. Here is stairs. This is another office. It's too big. It's open. It's like a hall. So if you can take here to the partition, kitchen. I think around 500 square meter. So 600 square meter. Say 300. And here is a private washroom. This is the hall. This is big. See the view. See the window. There is a better side. This is the washroom. So Osaki, so big compound business, even embassies and other units that they are looking for space. I think this one is better. It can fit your business needs. So this over there, the view, the ocean.